Okay, I had another request from the Gear Page forum on how to do a Leslie-ish sound with this. So that's what I tried to kind of emulate here. First, I'll show you the dip switch settings. I have top sweep with, I always like to kind of have the control dip switch up when I'm ramping stuff, because that changes this LED to green, and then I can see visually the rate that I'm ramping at. So that's why I like to have that one up. And then I have polarity to positive, because I feel like that's just a little bit more musical and Leslie-ish. The bounce switch is up because I'm modulating rate to sort of try to like emulate, you know, the fast, slow Leslie thing. You can, of course, I have the mix set to like a 50-50 dry wet kind of a thing. You can play around with this, increase the regeneration. Change the zero. Let's try ramping the zero with the rate. It's pretty crazy. All right, just turn that off. Let's try the polarity as a negative polarity. See how that sounds. So obviously now I'm having a little too much fun and I'm getting away from the Leslie sound, but that's just kind of an example of how you can get kind of a Leslie kind of a tone, but then also add in some extra insanity if you would like to do that. Thank you.